Ready to take control of your future and make your money work harder for your retirement? Money bag. It sounds complicated, but setting up monthly pension contributions in your Nutmeg account is actually incredibly simple. In just a few minutes, you can automate your savings and take a huge step towards financial peace of mind. Thinking face, why set up monthly contributions? First off, why bother with a regular monthly contribution instead of ad hoc payments? It all comes down to two powerful concepts: consistency and pound cost averaging. Consistency: automating your payments means you're always investing, even when life gets busy. It ensures your long-term plan stays on track. Pound cost averaging: by investing a fixed amount every month, you buy more units when the market price is low and fewer when the price is high. Over time, this helps smooth out the ups and downs of the market and can potentially lower your average cost per unit. It's a smart strategy for long-term investors like you. Hammer and wrench setting up your monthly contribution. Let's dive into the simple steps to set this up right now on your Nutmeg account. Step 1. Log in and navigate. Open your web browser or the Nutmeg app and log into your account. On the main dashboard, find your pension pot. It might be called SIPP, Self-Invested Personal Pension. Click on that pot to view its details. Step 2. Find the contribution option. Look for an option that says Add Money, Contribute, or Manage Contributions. It's usually a prominent button or link near your pot balance. Click on it. Step 3. Select Regular and set the amount. You'll be asked if you want to make a one-off contribution or a regular contribution. Select Regular. Next, you need to decide on your monthly amount. This should be an amount you're comfortable with and can sustain. Remember, consistency is key, so choose a realistic figure. Enter your desired amount here. Step 4. Choose your payment date and method. Now, you'll select the date you want the money to leave your bank account each month. Pick a day that works best for you, perhaps right after payday. Then, you'll link your bank account if you haven't already, or confirm the existing one you want to use for the direct debit. You may need to enter your bank details to set up the direct debit mandate. Nutmeg makes this secure and straightforward. Step 5. Review and confirm. Finally, review all the details. Pot, your pension, SIPP. Amount, your chosen monthly figure. Frequency, monthly. Start date, your selected date. Once you're happy that everything is correct, click Confirm or Set up Direct Debit. Party popper, and that's it. You'll receive a confirmation email from Nutmeg. From this point on, your contribution will be automatically debited and invested into your chosen portfolio every single month. You've just automated your retirement savings. It's a set it and forget it approach to building wealth for your later years. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.